Let me take the
Ow!
Vai. Fall. You're gonna fall. Meow.
No, salí.
Does anyone have any advice to get him to stop doing this? I have put so much tinfoil on this TV, and I've tried double-sided tape. Nothing is working. I spray him with a spray bottle. He likes being sprayed.
What are you doing? I know what you're doing. I saw what you're doing. You can just hide them. Oh my God.
It's just bread.
My clothes are finally dry. What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
Что произошло? Ne oldu kızım? Peri.
Brand new Black Ops Cheetah Scouts uniforms to welcome your sons to Troop 333.
Right. That's why they're here. There's nothing else we...
Он сейчас свалит тебе что-нибудь, мама.
Ah, not my plant. Get out. Move. Get up. You're destroying my shit. Fuck.
Look at that. He's tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
Pinky. Ah!
I got a cat and I don't, he sucks on my neck. And apparently that's normal. Apparently it's comforting to them. So we'll just be letting him do this.
Ma quindi voi, scusate, voi siete abusivi qui?
Bosivi.
E non
If you had a bad day and you're feeling shitty, you gotta get yourself a cabinet kitty.
То есть это примитивные ужасы, когда там тихо, 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 и вдруг там выпрыгнул из-за стенки, все там от телевизора отпрыгнули.
Are you the pricklier one? Somebody told me you were the pricklier one. What do you have to say to that?
А как у тебя скин белый, а хвост другой? Что я вообще не понимаю, это как? Два кота в одного?
Good morning. How are you? I'm good. What? You got wet Pete's? What were you up to? Okay. I know it's not any of my business, but you're filthy. You're not coming in today. Sorry. Nice and sunny. You can stay out.
Agatha.
Debería irme a vivir al monte o al desierto, sin vecinos, sin nadie que me perturbe la vida.
Oh, Spooky. Okay. You did? No. Sit. High five. Hey, Spooky, he's doing it. Oh my god, not again.
What you doing, gorgeous? Is that so? Well, you can't go outside. Because I told you we're going for a drive to Halifax, honey. Well, that's too bad. You can't. Because, honey, I don't want to keep going over this every day, okay? I love you, and that is that. And remember, you're the best in the world, hen.
Litter, crusty, dusty paws. No, sir. Oh, whatever. Lick your paws. Did your mother never teach you how to lick your paws? No, I have to wash them like I have to wash them like a human? It's disgusting. No, it's not like you go about your business and do whatever. You come up and you cuddle me and you put your freaking crusty, dusty paws, shit sifters in my face. Get over it. And squeeze.